Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the Morph Studio AI. So this is a tutorial for you for a beginner. So all you have to do is open your morphstudio.com right now and try to sign up first or log in to create your free account and click get started. So this is the all-in-one AI video workflow that you can create. So make sure you have a good internet connection, so your website or your browser will take a fast to load. And also you can use the template here. For example, there's some template that you can try. So here you can create new project, tap add plus. So you have to use the aspect ratio that you want. So let's try with the widescreen, then create. So you can start from the scratch or upload image or videos, or video style transfer if you have. Let's start from scratch and describe your short here. A example, a boat is floating in this ocean. So this is example word. So here the model, camera, blah blah, duration. So let's try to use the text first. So then you can use the model here, the camera static or no pan left. You can learn about this later, but here you can generate first. So this is more or less or like animate workflow here. So you have to wait. So the timeline, you can drag your shot here to combine them, but we have to wait the AI generate the video. Here, as you can see, this is the video generated by AI. So you can animate your image here, stylish your video, or even you can use a lip sync and you can split it. So let's try to drag the video here and then try to play. So this is a basic tutorial how you can use Morph Studio. The most important thing is your narration here. Try to write a good story, so the AI will generate your video beautifully. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and so click the button below. See you in the next video.